Guys, we're checking out now guys.
Kumana among bakasyon.
Busog kayo sa among breakfast. Di na may mag-lunch kay busog na may kayo.
Unya na ka. Unya kay nag-swimming man ta.
Busog pagyapon.
Wa mahilis.
So, we're going down na guys for check out.
Checking out.
See you on our next vlog guys.
Bye. Ay di pa day bye. Uy,
Check out pa.
check out pa mi ato pa ta. See you in the lobby.
So, we're leaving now room guys. We are in 1805. So, we're going down now guys. See ya.
Okay na. Okay na. Collect what something?
Guys, we're done checking out guys. So we're just waiting here in the lobby for
Yeah, nila ko rin.
just waiting kay masing kami karon 4 p.m. So we have a lot of time. It's really hot outside, so that's why we just stay here.
Making tambay.
See ya next vlog guys. Bye.